To inspect or replace the spark plugs on your Slingshot with the 2.4-liter engine, follow these steps. Allow the engine to cool completely on a flat, level surface and ensure the parking brake is set. Push the hood release handle down to release the hood latch and lift back to open the hood. Unplug the spark plug wire connectors from the ignition coils. Remove the ignition coil fasteners. Pull the ignition coils up past the seal and remove. Carefully break the spark plugs loose and remove. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion on the electrodes. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect spark plug is used. Install the spark plugs fully by hand. Then, torque to specification. Next, install the ignition coils and push down to ensure they are fully seated. Then, install the coil fasteners and torque to specification. Reconnect the spark plug wires to the ignition coils and ensure they are secure. Close the hood by pivoting towards the vehicle and allowing it to drop. Ensure all 4 latch points are properly secured. Finally, start the engine and ensure there are no warning lights present. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.